Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by gathering essentials: a recovery email or phone and a secure device. Open accounts. Google. .com/sign up and enter your name and chosen username. This identifies you across Google services. Make sure the username follows allowed characters and is easy to remember. Use dots or numbers if needed. Once done, create a strong password that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your account. Take this step carefully because it prevents future lockouts and secures your data from the start. Now you provide verification and profile details so Google can secure and personalize your account. Enter your birth date and gender. These set appropriate defaults and age controls. Next, add your phone and request an SMS or call. Enter the received code to verify ownership. This step thwarts unauthorized creation and aids recovery. Then review privacy and personalization settings, decide what to share and what to limit. Make thoughtful choices because they affect ads, syncing, and data retention across Google services. Finish by accepting Google's terms and completing the setup, then sign in to confirm access to Gmail, Drive, and other apps. Immediately enable two-step verification. Use an authenticator app or security key for robust protection. Add recovery options and check sync settings so your contacts and data save safely. If you encounter errors, first clear the browser cache and try again or switch devices. If still blocked, use the account recovery flow with your recovery email or phone to regain access and troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.